Alright, welcome back to Old Soul Tech. This is Rotary Phone Restoration Part 2. Now, I haven't done the Rotary, obviously. This is probably going to be a 3-part episode, but it's mostly all restored. I do need to work on this little base thing up here. Still some sticker residue, but otherwise it's complete. And obviously the Rotary might need to... It's pretty good. I just need to clean up this base, but it's pretty much almost done. So we're just going to be testing the phone, nothing else. We're not taking it apart again. It's reassembled. I can't pull this thing off. Screws are in, so we're going to test it out. So it is hooked up to my phone system, and yeah, it's plugged into an RJ11 cable. So we're going to see if we get a dial tone. And we do. Don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that, but you should be able to. Yep. Yeah, it's working. Alright, now obviously we can't dial out with this because my phone system does not support the kind of dialing this uses. I forget what it's called. Yeah, I forget what it's called, but it doesn't use this, and so we can't like dial out like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we can't dial someone, and also nobody has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 number. Like 1. I don't know what I'm doing. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. Yeah, we can't do that. And also, we aren't able to get a ringer on this because it doesn't. The RJ11 cable does not support enough voltage to make this thing ring. Now, I'm sure that I could buy like a adapter or something, but I've already spent like $35 on this, and I was just meaning it to be like a quick restoration project just to be fun for the channel. And not to be like a really long episode like my camera video. No, none of that. I didn't want to spend too much on this, so this is just, yeah. So, it works, and that's good to hear. Now, I'm going to test it and see if I can call myself. So, let's test that out real quick. Alright, so I have my number entered on my iPad. So, I didn't want to, well, I'm using my phone to record this, and, yeah, so I'm just going to use my iPad. So let's call. Now, it's not going to ring, so I kind of just have to wing it here. So, I'm just going to go with the 4th ring. That seems safe. And then I'm going to hang up real quick, because it's going to go... And I missed my own call. Hold on. Let me call myself back again. Okay, let's try that again. You can hear it ring. Hello? Oh. I missed my call again. I'm just gonna try again. Oh, this is bad. Alright, I'm gonna go with the 2nd ring this time. Hello? Oh, it works. Oh, that's not going. I don't like that. Hello. I'm gonna mute my iPad so you can just hear the speaker. I mean the microphone. Hello. Yeah, so this is what the speaker looks like. The microphone sounds like. Oh, I don't like this. I'm gonna hang up. Well, it works. Let's put my my iPad over there. All right, well, it works, and now you can have a sigh of relief that it works. I just said it works 2 times in a sentence. That's not right. Okay, whatever. Have a great rest of your day, and see you in a future episode.